recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters! Today, we'll show you how to make a fox origami. Step 1. Start with a square piece of paper. Fold it in half diagonally. Step 2. Fold the top corner down, aligning the tip with the bottom edge of the paper. Step 3. Fold the bottom left and right corners up and upward, creating two triangular flaps that will become the ears. Step 4. Flip the paper over. Step 5. Draw eyes and the nose to complete your fox face. And there you have it, your very own origami fox face. See you next time. Bye!